Hey everyone, I'm in Centro again. We were walking the dogs this morning about 7:30, and there's a cruise ship that just landed in town. It's called the Amadea. So I figured it'd be cool to see how Centro looks differently when the cruise ships arrive. It's like a month into the year, and we've already had 2 cruise ships come to town, park out in the bay. This is the Amadea. It's about a 600 passenger cruise ship, I believe, and it's on a 146-day one-way trip basically around the world. So pretty cool. I'm gonna walk around town. We'll get some shots from it and see what it looks like in the center and around the pier when cruise ships land.
Así, güey. Así está mi cuerpo, pero ahora sí está mi cuerpo.
It's about 9:30 now. I just spent around an hour walking around Centro, down near the pier. I think, yeah, you can see the boat kind of, or the cruise ship, I should say, behind me. They're still loading people off of, they only have one tender. So it must take them 2 hours to get everybody from the cruise ship to shore. And I mean, there's not a lot of noticeable difference in Centro as far as like people walking around and eating in restaurants than there would be on a normal Thursday morning. But there's like 9 of those, the tourist buses. So they're taking them, I'm assuming, probably to like the archaeological site, Ixtapa Island, perhaps, Ixtapa, and different things like that. Of course, as you get off the ship, they've got these people doing dances and there's people selling things. That's not normal. Bigger presence of tourist police, regular police, military, that type of stuff. But otherwise, I mean, it's pretty quiet down there. Again, it's only like 9:30 in the morning now, so maybe I'll check it out a little bit later today, and we'll see if anything's changed. All right. It's about 5:30 p.m. now. If you look closely, you can probably barely see the cruise ship right about there. This tree is perfectly blocking it in the bay. So it's like basically right in the middle of the bay. So, and it looked like I can see the pier from our rooftop. It looks like pretty much everybody has taken the tender boat back to the ship. So we may see it taking off here in the next couple minutes. I went back down to Central around noon and just walked around for a little bit, and there were still people coming in off the cruise ship onto shore, and I guess those are the people that you see walking around town. My best estimate is probably around 75% of the people that come in, they're going out to do the tourist activities, and the last 25% or so, maybe 150 people that come off, they're the people that you'll see walking around town. I did a little research on this particular ship, also the Amadea, and it's a German-based ship. As I mentioned before, 624 passengers is what I found online, and it's a 146-day excursion that started in England, I believe, or that was the first stop, and I believe the last stop is the Canary Islands. 57 total stops. We're number 19, so they're 1/3 through the stops that they have. They've got 3 or 4 here in Mexico. They're going to go up through the States and then cross over to China, Hong Kong, Tokyo, through a few other spots in Japan. And the cost starts at about 30,000 euros, $36,000 per person. That's double occupancy. So that's 72,000. Works out to around $500 per day. And then I'm sure you have some additional expenses on top of that. Not super inexpensive for 5 months, but that's probably pretty standard for a cruise ship. For me, that seems like a long time to be on a cruise ship. I don't know if I could do more than a week, even 3 or 4 days may be enough for me. When the last cruise ship was here a couple weeks ago, I took my drone up, got some cool shots of the ship in the bay. So that's what you're seeing right now. And perhaps this cruise ship will take off in the next 20-30 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it, and if it does, I'll try to get some video of that too. So anyways, all right, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.